guys, welcome to Math Day 15. Make sure you have your hundreds chart out. We're going to start with our warm-up with counting by fives and tens. So let's start with our tens. Put your finger on the number 10 and we're going to go straight down. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We'll do it one more time. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, we're going to count by five. So we go back and forth from the left to the right. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, let's do one more time. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Awesome. All right, go ahead and put your hundreds charts away. And let's think about our target for today. I can use objects to find the missing part to 10. So this will be our last day, thinking about part, part, whole. So part, part, whole, part, part, whole. Okay, we're going to use our number bond right here first, and then we'll be using the whiteboard, okay? So today's number that we are thinking about is the number 10. So I'm going to put that in my whole, okay? In my whole. You guys can see this okay. Okay, so we are going to have one part, and one part is going to be missing. So here's some things that you can do. Go ahead and grab whatever kind of manipulative you want to grab. You can actually use your fingers if you'd like. You can use your counters, or you can use Legos, Cheerios, any kind of manipulative that you can count with, okay? All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you one of the parts, okay? The two parts have to equal my whole, and my whole today is 10, okay? So we're going to do a few, and then we're going to use the whiteboard, okay? And you're going to be writing numbers. So here is my first part. One of my parts is the number 3. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab how many counters in all? 10 counters in all. Make sure they're all one color when you flip them over, okay? How many counters are you going to flip over first? 3. Good job. So how many are left? Go ahead and find out how many are left. Okay. When you are done with that, we're going to do it on our fingers. So how many do I have in all? 10. So put up 10 fingers. What is my first part? 3. So how many fingers am I going to put down? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is going to go right here. That must mean 3 plus 7 is 10. All right, awesome. Let's do another one. Here we go. Our next number is the number 6. So I know in all I have 10, and my first part is 6. Okay, so what must my other part be? Go ahead and pause me if you need a moment. Use your counters. All right, here we go. Put up your fingers. So how many do we have in all? 10. What is our first part? 6. So how many fingers am I going to put down? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So I'm putting all of those fingers down. How many do I have left? 4. Awesome. So that must mean 6 plus 4 is 10. Awesome. All right, next one. Here we go. Here is my next part. So I know in all I have 10, and one of my parts is 5, okay? So go ahead and use your manipulatives. If you have your counters, make sure you have 10, all one color, and then flip over 5. Alrighty, so put up your fingers. I know we have 10 in all. Now I need to put down 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know all of those. So how many do I have left? 5. Okay, here we go. So the next part, you're going to need your part whole. And oops, I left mine over here. Sorry, guys. Okay. You'll need your part whole. And this time around, you're going to be writing the numbers in your part whole, okay? So what you will need is you'll need this. And I made it magnetic so it can stick up here. Awesome. Yay. Okay, and then you will need your counters. In all, so this is the number we're thinking about. In all, how many counters do you need? 10. Okay. Here we go. So, and they all need to be one color. I'm going to choose the color, a little better. I'm going to choose the color red because it's easier for y'all to see. So, I'm going to choose 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what you're going to do is you are going to write the number 10 in your whole. This is not going to change for now. So go ahead with your pen, write the number 10, pen 10, they rhyme. So write the number 10 in your whole. I'm going to give you a number for your part. You're going to copy me, okay? So here is, so we haven't done, here is our first part. That is our first part, my wonky 2, okay? So how many counters do I know I need to flip over? I know I need to flip over 2, so flip over 2 of your counters, okay? Now I'm going to count how many red I have left, so I'll know my other part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write the number 8. Okay, well, that's a good 8. I'm impressed with myself. All right. Good job, friends. Make sure you flip all of your counters back over to one color and you erase your parts. We're going to change it. Okay. Easy to erase. Alrighty, so this is going to stay the same. Remember, it's staying the same. The same. Oh, I missed class. Okay, so our next one is going to be the number. Go ahead and write your first part. Remember, you are using your pen that I gave you to write your first part. Okay, when you are done with that, how many counters do I know I need to flip over? How many? I know I need to flip over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can count how many red counters I have left to figure out my other part. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. 6. We got it good? All right, let's do one more, and then math will be done. All right, here we go. Let me erase my parts. I'm going to change the part. All right, let's do, this is hard sometimes to figure out which one I want to do. We'll do one. Yeah. All right, this one should be easy. All right, go ahead and flip over how many counters you need to flip over. One counter. So that means all the rest of my other parts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome. All right, you guys, go ahead and get in your packets to start your first worksheet. Tomorrow we start with word problems. It'll be word problems and then money. So I'm really excited the rest of the school year for math. Math is going to be super fun the rest of the school year. I'm so excited. All right, guys, head over to reading and then writing, okay? I'll see you there.